Let's take a look at a word problem. We have that stage 16 of the 2000 Tour de France was a time trial. This time trial had an average grade, its slope is a percent, for most of the 15-kilometer mountainous trek that was 7.9%. What was the change in elevation from the beginning to the end of the route? We're going to use the average grade. We can approximate this situation by considering the start of the route as the center of a circle with a radius of 15. So we're going to draw a little diagram then. Draw a circle. We're going to put the start of the route at the origin, and we're going to let the end of the route be a point on this circle. So we've got the equation of a circle, x squared plus y squared equals 15 squared, which is 225, because the length of the trek was 15 kilometers. If we look at our circle, we know that we call this angle theta. Tangent of theta is equal to y over x. The coordinates of this point are x comma y. Tangent of theta is y over x. That's also going to be 0.079. As y over x, that's going to give us the slope of this line, and we were given that the slope was 7.9%, so we've written that as a decimal. Therefore, theta is equal to the tangent inverse of 0.079. Now we're really looking for the change in elevation, so we need the y coordinate here. We know that the sine of theta is equal to y over r, and we know that the radius is 15, so that's y over 15. We've got theta is equal to tangent inverse of 0.079, so we'll get that y is equal to 15 times the sine of tangent inverse of 0.079. And if we evaluate that, we'll get that y is approximately 1.18. Now remember that our units for the length of our radius was 15 kilometers. We're going to have the same units then for our change in elevation. So this is 1.18 kilometers. Therefore, the change in elevation from the beginning to the end of the route is about 1.18 kilometers.